Hi guys, I am back with the Dip Powder Betty. So I am unboxing April's Triple D Diva Box that I was finally able to get my hands on another box. The last one I purchased was back in for the February box. So in this box, I think it was the anniversary box if I'm not mistaken, it came with look how that alcohol wipe, y'all. I didn't even open it up, and that's a long orange wood or cuticle stick that came in that box. See, look at it compared to the regular ones I get from Shein. Pretty long. And an alcohol wipe. I did not want to open that up. And in this box came a multi-use nail brush tool. So it has all these interchangeable heads. Now, I don't know when I would use this. It came with like a gel brush. You unscrew it, and you can replace it with the various brushes that came in this box. I thought that was pretty neat. Again, I don't know when I would use that because those look like tiny acrylic brushes, and then the flat, I think that's a gel brush. Now I would use that maybe to do like my builder gel feel or something like that, but I thought that was pretty cool. Also, it came with 4 dip powders. 3 of them are exclusive to the box, and it came with a regular gel, and I think these are maybe delicate gels. They are for those that are sensitive to gel allergies. I have not used that yet, but we have Diva Dip 49, which is a nice pink. We also have Diva Dip 50, which this I believe is a lighter pink, and it has hints of glitter or shimmer in there. And Diva Dip 51, that was really pretty. I was like, oh, look at all the sparkles in there. And then we have Tropical Time, which you can purchase, which is a temperature changing dip powder. It looks kind of dark coral or orange, and then it gets, when your hands get hot, it becomes very light, like a light pink. So guys, I decided to start using swatch dots. So I just swatched these, and these are the colors when I swatched them, and I just used a hot glue gun and glued them to the top of the lids. I think that's easier because I was having a lot of swatch sticks, and I was on my nail room, I was using the command hooks to hook all of those. I'll put them on a key ring, and I have a lot. The whole door is full of swatch sticks, and so I was like, I have to come up with a different solution. So I saw these swatch dots on Sparkling Co's website, but then I purchased them off of Amazon, and then I purchased some more off Shein. So I applied 1 coat of UNT Peel Off Base Coat on top of my builder gel, and then I'm using Triple D's Delicate Dip Liquid, which is base. This allows the nails to the dip powder to adhere to the nails, and I am just applying that. And that Delicate Dip Base Liquid is for those that are sensitive to dip powder liquids, and they develop dip flu when they use them. These do not give me dip flu when I use them. So guys, just hang out with me. And yes, I did cut my nails. And let me just start by saying, yes, I did cut my nails. The left hand is coming because my husband last night told me I looked crazy with one hand short and one hand long, but what does he know? But I probably do, but it's okay. So I'm just going in. I'm going to let them grow back out. My thumbnail started to split on the nail bed, so I filed that down, and then my middle finger actually broke, which was weird. So I just filed them all down, and we're just gonna regrow them. I still have builder gel on my nails, a nice thin layer, and we're just gonna watch them grow. It took me over a year to grow them to the length that they were. I would file them down, they would grow back, and so we're just gonna repeat the process. No, I don't want to use extensions. And so again, don't be shocked if you come back with another video my left hand's cut down. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. And you will see me re-dipping because delicate dip liquids or low order dip liquids dry slower, and so a lot of times where you saw the dip powder was wet looking, I would re-dip it back into the powder just to soak up some of that excess dip base that is on my nails. So guys, I'm just going in with a second coat of that color on my nails, and then I will activate and do my filing and buffing off camera. So guys, I decided to do something simple for Mother's Day. So this is a Mother's Day mini. It is really simple. I didn't feel like doing any stamping like I did last year. I was like, I forgot I only had one more video that I needed to upload before I started recording more videos, and I was like, wait a minute, I don't have a Mother's Day mini. So I was like, okay, so today is Thursday. I'll have this video uploaded Sunday. So I did this mani on Wednesday of this week. And so I was like, I got to do something simple. I wanted to use the colors in this box, or one of the colors. And so once I activated and did my fountain and buffing, and guys, I had some nail stickers. And so I decided to keep it simple because, you know, for me on Mother's Day, you know, I'm grateful to still have my mother still alive and my grandmother. And so I'm able to celebrate with them. I have, you know, my mother-in-law and my grandmother-in-law. We all celebrate together. We don't really do anything, of course, because of what the situation that we're in the world. I'm just going to, you know, go to church with my mom and my grandma, and then we'll just go from there. So do you guys have any special plans on Mother's Day? Because for me, I want my daughter to leave me alone. And I know that's kind of selfish, but I'm like, you bother me all year. I just want one day to myself. That's it. But anyway, so do you guys do anything special? Let me know. So guys, I had these stickers. I got these stickers in Daily Charms Spring Mystery Box, if I'm not mistaken. And so I'm just using my tweezers that I have from Color My World Dips, which is a shop on Etsy. And I'm using these to place the stickers on my nail. And then I will use the silicone portion of the tool to smooth those out and help them adhere to the dip powder. So guys, I'm going in with Triple D's Delicate Gel. It is base and top coat all in one. Guys, it's kind of thick, but thick in a good way, if that makes any kind of sense. It went on nice and smooth, and it had a nice shine. I was pleasantly surprised. Now I was like, oh, I should have been tried this. But anyway, so I'm just applying that to my nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so once they cool off from me in the lamp, I will apply my favorite cuticle oil. I forgot to add, before I cured, I applied a single rhinestone to my index and my ring finger, just to give it something extra. Y'all know I gotta be a little extra. So that's how we do. Apply the stickers to the thumb, middle, and ring finger, and apply the single rhinestone to the cuticle area to my other two nails, and then I will cure. So here's the finished look. Nice, kind of vibrant orange to me. So guys, if you found value, go ahead and give this video a like. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and let me know what you do for Mother's Day if you do anything. And subscribe to my channel, it is free. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Mother's Day. I hope you enjoy your day. And so the picture here is of the temp change. Look at that temp change. It's kind of neat to me. It reminds me of candy almost. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.